nice mark. You got a degranulator, or you do it with this. Gotta have a super hot trowel.
Okay.
I'm not pulling the granules off. What am I doing? I'm pressing them in, right?
And if the trowel's not hot enough,
It's not gonna.
it's going to get really gummy,
Okay.
and everything is going to stick to the trowel, and it's going to be a huge mess.
Fred Flintstone wheel. You ever watch Flintstones? No? You didn't get the Flintstones? What country did you grow up in? Russia?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Bosnia.
Bosnia?
Yeah.
I should have known that. I missed out. The Flintstones was good.
Just YouTube.
Don't worry, they'll come back. You'll get to see. Everything's like
Degranulated, right? Now that's still really pretty hot, so I probably can do just this. Oops. This would be where you'd want to use gloves. See how I'm pushing out the bleed out?
Yeah.
You don't have that, then go back and put a little more heat on it. Okay. Say this. I didn't like the looks of this right under here.
So you gotta have pushed all the.
A little bit of bleed out, a little bit of the goop from the sheet everywhere.
All right.
Okay. If it's tight in there, see how I could lift it up there?
Yeah.
But this is the wrong torch.
So you gotta have a small torch too.
You're gonna come back with this after that is done.
Okay.
And it's cool. Everything is cool. The next day, go back in the morning with your trowel and pick at your laps. Okay? Not when it's hot, because you can always peel it apart when it's hot.
Yeah.
Next day, come in, go right down like this with your trowel. Another reason to have a round tip, you know what I mean? So you're not poking it and cutting it.
Yeah.
Round trip right in there, and if your trowel goes under, let's say, just lift it up.
That other one was
So for these cut like for
Just that.
patching like this, you gotta have a small torch too. It's gonna be easy.
You should have one of these on the job with that. These two together would probably be enough.
I got a little propane torch, it's
Yeah.
small, that little blue one.
Yeah.
Then you can wire it right in. You can use the same torch.
Same
It's
torch.
a very small detail torch for
Okay.